Harry McCausland. I'm Vice Chairman of the international advertising agency Leo Burnett, and I have the great privilege of being a trustee of the Mental Health Foundation. I became involved with the Mental Health Foundation because in my experience, mental health is not talked about openly, and yet it touches so many of our lives. Mental health problems affect 1 in 4 of the people in the UK, and tragically 1 in 5 of the children. The Mental Health Foundation is the UK's leading charity for mental health and learning disabilities. It has an international reputation, nurtured through 60 years of groundbreaking research. Our pioneering work across the UK helps people survive, recover from and prevent mental health problems. We support all ages from childhood to later life, and we cover a wide range of issues including general well-being, learning disabilities and dementia. Now, mental health issues have a major impact on the workplace through absenteeism, loss of productivity, as well as diminished employee morale and motivation. Shockingly, there are more than 13 million working days lost annually because of work-related stress, anxiety and depression, and this costs employers a staggering £28 billion a year. Now I'd like you to imagine, if you could, that you wake up one day and out of the blue, the thought of going to work leaves you shaking uncontrollably. Who at your work would you call, and what would you say to them? And most importantly, what would you expect the reaction to be? Perhaps, of course, you're fortunate enough to be employed by an organisation which understands problems like depression and anxiety, and that they can affect anyone at any time, and so they'd be willing to help you. I think you'd be lucky if you do. So, practically, how can we work together? There are lots of possibilities that we could shape around you and your requirements, but here are just 4 suggestions. Firstly, we can create a tailored program for the unique needs of your business so you can enjoy a mentally healthier workplace. We recently worked with Thames Water, producing guidance for staff dealing with emotional crises, and TfL are piloting our innovative stress reduction course. Secondly, there are lots of sponsorship opportunities. For example, a sponsorship deal with Bupa enabled us to launch an online self-treatment course, and Bupa benefited from the association with a groundbreaking wellbeing technique. Another sponsorship opportunity will be our Scottish Mental Health Art and Film Festival, which reaches over 10,000 people each year and has the potential to be rolled out across the UK if we could find the right partner. Thirdly, we could work together researching new approaches to creating healthier workplaces, and in doing so, associate your company with pioneering research on staff well-being and the reduction of discrimination and stigma. As part of Mental Health Awareness Week, we've run successful campaigns on everyday issues like fear and loneliness. Our recent Sleep Matters campaign achieved a circulation of over 90 million within the first 2 weeks of launching. You, for example, could be the sponsor of next year's Awareness Week. Finally, you could offer volunteers to mentor our staff, or take part in events, or become ambassadors. They could talk about the importance of mental health and the benefit of our work to their colleagues. In our Charity of the Year partnership with IPC Media, their creative staff brainstormed our national fundraising event, Tea and Talk. They got the opportunity to use their expertise in a new area, and we benefited from their remarkable marketing and editorial skills. Tea and Talk is an easy way for your staff to get involved and raise much needed funds for our work. I'd really like to see a world in which we can live mentally healthier lives, free from stigma and discrimination. Wouldn't it be wonderful if together we could change forever the perceptions about mental health and end the suffering caused by mental ill health? If you'd like to talk to our corporate fundraising team, please give us a ring on 0207 803 1146. We'd love to meet you and see how we can work together. Thank you so much.